The juice bar channel. Anyway, guys, I must say to you, today's Black Friday, okay? 50% off on the cookbook. No, the link is in the description box. Click on the link and it can take you where you can buy my cookbook. All right, there's a 50% off, guys, and I know you guys will love the cookbook. As I said before, the black Jamaican rum fruit cake is in the book, so please go get your copy. Support us, guys, and make we can do better. There's a next book coming out from Chef Ricardo. I will make you guys see the book. That one is gonna be amazing. You got 3 different potion section in the book. You got detoxing, weight loss, and also a part of food, and also healthy eating. There's a lot of stuff in it, so I know you guys will love it. Please subscribe, leave a comment in the description box, and click on the link and go over, buy the book. And thank you for watching my video, and also leave a comments in the description box. Stay tuned and keep it real with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar. Stay tuned.